Okay, let's check. We're boiling now. Pull the cover off of that. That's looking nice. See how that Swiss chard has reduced down? Okay, now we're going to add the key ingredient to this jjigae, which is called Ten Jang. Ten Jang is a fermented soybean paste. It's really salty and a little nutty and really delicious in soup. And I'm going to take out, that's about 2 tablespoons of Ten Jang and drop that into the stew. And that's going to be primarily what flavors the stew. Ten Jang, by the way, you can get at Korean grocery stores or Asian markets. It's not very expensive, but you have to keep it in the refrigerator once you've opened it. So we're going to spread that around, kind of let it melt and dissipate. It's very sticky. So here's a chunk right here, and that's going to go into the water. If you can see, the broth, it's a little bit thicker and more cloudy now that the Ten Jang is in it. I'm going to stir that in. And there's other good things to add.